So guys, as you can see, this is over here is our simple code. So our do while loop starts from here, ends here. Now to make it work, just for demonstration purpose, I just run a counter. So I took an integer variable called count. Initially the value is 0, and then after that we increment the value of count by 1, and then we set a condition that if the count is less than 10, it will keep on repeating. As soon as it reaches 10, then the loop will terminate. So that is what we get over here. So see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it says terminated because we are displaying this. Guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use a do while loop in Arduino IDE, and I will demonstrate this to you using an Arduino UNO. So let's get started. So guys, this is our Arduino UNO, and this is the syntax of a do while loop. You write the do, then you start your loop, then you write the statements, and then you end the loop with this statement. Now this is the conditional statement value, and then it will be either greater than, equal to, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, whatever the bitwise operator you want to use, and then another value like it's 0 if it is less than 10. Until the condition is not met, your loop will keep on repeating. As soon as the condition is met, the loop will end. So let me show you how you do it. So first let me introduce you to the hardware. This is the simple hardware, just Arduino UNO board. Let's get to the Arduino IDE. Let me zoom in so you guys can see better. So I open the magnifier. So first of all, before you do anything else, make sure that your Arduino is connected. So to go to the boards, AVR boards, and there you have the Arduino UNO. It shows Arduino UNO. Then the port, yes, COM12 Arduino UNO. Then that's all you need. Okay, click on File, New Sketch. Now wait for the new sketch to open. Okay, it's opened. Okay, first of all, before you do anything else, first of all, save your work. Click on File and Save. Write any name you prefer. I write do while tutorial. Okay, the next thing is I remove this and this loop comment. Okay, first of all, we initialize a serial terminal, Serial.begin, any baud I set 9600. Then we write the do while loop syntax, do, inside it the statements, and then you write here while, and then you write the condition over here. Now to make a condition, like what should be the condition, I will just run a counter. So I write here int count. So this is my counter variable. So initially the count is equal to 0, so we will start from 0. So the count increments by 1, count equals to count plus 1. Okay, just like this. And we also display the value of the counter on the screen. So I write Serial.println whatever the value of the counter is. So just copy paste the counter here like this. So we will know when the loop has terminated. So here we write our condition. If the count is less than 10, then keep on repeating. So for as long as the count is less than 10, it will keep on repeating. If it goes greater than 10, then it will end the loop. So after the loop is end, again we made the count go 0, else it will not repeat. And then the counter is 0. Now, okay, this is serial, SERIAL. Okay. And now to make the count, now to make sure that the counter has ended, we display any text, like I write here Serial.println, show me the text called terminated, that the loop has terminated. So that's how we are going to check it. So we slow down the speed because the speed of the code will be too fast. I give some delay, like for every cycle it will take 250 milliseconds, and after it displays the terminated, it will remain there for 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. So that is the code we wrote. I click on upload, no errors, uploading, done uploading. Now open the serial monitor, go to the tool, click on serial monitor. It's opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's perfect. Again, it starts all over again, then terminated. So that's how the do while loop works. So guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any questions, you may ask. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Goodbye until then.